Welcome once again to What's New in O-Gauge, our weekly look at new products for our three-rail layouts, libraries, and train rooms. This week we will feature new releases from Lionel, MTH, and more. See the video description for more information about each of the following products. Lionel Trains is producing an exclusive Southern Pacific Black Widow passenger set for the Lionel Collectors Club of America. Sets are in stock now and ready to ship. The sets are available for $430 for LCCA members. If you need a matching caboose for your President Trump-themed locomotives, Lionel will be producing two limited edition Legacy bay window cabooses, one primarily in red and the other in blue, for Legacy Station. The cabooses are expected to arrive in mid-2025. The early order price is $134.99 each. MTH Electric Trains will be releasing new 2025 O-Scale Premier Cole Porter hopper cars as single and four-car sets in CSX, Norfolk Southern, and Union Pacific colors next summer. Each item will be limited in production and is expected to begin shipping to MTH authorized retailers in July 2025. The cars are priced at $84.95 each, or $329.95 for the four-car set. MTH Electric Trains has announced an exclusive and uncatalogued Rail King O-Gauge 3-car, 4-bay hopper car set in Cancer Awareness colors for exclusive distribution by Easy Catch and Dixie Union Station. The cars will be available in unique car numbers and are slated to arrive in March 2025. The early order price for the 3-car set is $179.95. MTH Electric Trains has announced an exclusive and uncatalogued Premier O-Scale R50B Express Reefer in Denver Rio Grande Western Heritage colors for exclusive distribution by the Train Loft. The cars will be available in two unique car numbers and are slated for arrival in June 2025. The early order price is $89.95. MTH Electric Trains has announced two exclusive and uncatalogued Rail King O-Gauge number 193 water towers decorated in honor of President Trump. First is a Welcome to Trump Country tower for exclusive distribution by Nassau Trains. This tower will be available in extremely limited quantities beginning in June 2025. The early order price is $69.99. The other is a black and gold America First water tower for exclusive distribution by the Train Loft. The tower will be available in extremely limited quantities beginning in June 2025. The early order price is $69.95. New in paperback is The American Roundhouse Cathedrals of Steam by Timothy Starr. The railroad roundhouse was the most distinctive structure in America from the 1840s to the end of steam in the 1950s. They were vital to every railroad for keeping complex and expensive locomotives operating at the highest efficiency possible. Of the 3,000 roundhouses that once stood as the cornerstone of many communities, only about 200 remain standing today, a number that decreases with every passing year. The American Roundhouse Cathedrals of Steam features over 75 thoroughly researched roundhouses depicted either in the prime of operations or during construction. A diverse selection was chosen from across the United States, organized from the East Coast to the West Coast. Some anchored a small, standalone locomotive terminal, while others were part of a world-class backshop site. This fascinating book will be a cherished part of any railroad fan's library and features over 225 high-quality photographs, maps, and diagrams that bring these cathedrals of steam to life once again. See the link in the video description for pricing and availability. New on Kimball is The Ward Kimball, The Story of Disneyland Engine Number 5 by Steve DeGaetano. For Disneyland's 50th anniversary, the company had a great idea: add a fifth train to the Disneyland Railroad and name it after Ward Kimball, a Disney legend and, like Walt himself, a rail fan. This is the story of how a locomotive built in 1902 became part of the happiest place on Earth. The story begins not at a theme park, but at a Louisiana plantation, where a small locomotive called the Maud L was first put to use over a century ago, hauling cane sugar through the hot, humid fields. As the Maud L ran down over the years, she was destined for scrap. but then her life took a change for the magical. Disneyland Railroad expert Steve DeGottino tells the tale of how the Mod L became the Ward Kimball. The early years of the engine destined for Disney, including its quiet decades at a theme park in Ohio, Disney's acquisition and rebuilding of the Mod L, and its rebranding into the Ward Kimball, the inaugural run of the Kimball at Disneyland's 50th anniversary celebration. A fascinating look at how Disney tests, operates, and maintains its steam trains. Plus, an account of Walt Disney and Ward Kimball's lifelong friendship, a bond forged from animation, steam trains, and theme parks. See the link in the video description for pricing and availability. And beginning in March 2025, What's New in O-Gauge will be spinning off into its own dedicated channel. So, if you like our Saturday long format videos, be sure to subscribe to the channel you're watching now. But if you want to continue seeing episodes of What's New in O-Gauge, follow the link that appears at the end of this video and subscribe to the new What's New in O-Gauge channel. And click the bell notification so you never miss a Tuesday morning episode. That's all for now. Thanks for watching.